Hi guys, Lee here from Auto Exquisite Detail. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm very excited to bring you Turtlewax's new Hybrid Solutions Pro range of products. So I'm going to be doing a lot of videos with these products, of course individual ones, but also putting them against each other and doing durability and torture tests. I also have these products already applied onto a car, and I'm going to be doing update videos for you all to give you a real world usage. I'll be keeping a record of how many times I wash the car, how often I use it, and then probably do 1 or 2 videos and giving you all a summary of that. I'll also be doing specific videos comparing these new products to their old Hybrid Solutions ceramic range. So like I said, a whole lot of videos coming up with these products, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss all those future videos. Today we're going to be focusing specifically on their new graphene infused Flex Wax. So I'm going to be telling you all how to use the product, showing it to you all in action, and then at the end give you all my final thoughts. So with all that guys, sit back and let's get started. So before we get started, a huge shout out to Turtlewax SA and Crazy Detailer for sending me the Hybrid Solutions Pro range. I will leave links in the descriptions of these new products for you to check out if you do want to purchase them. So the graphene infused Flex Wax is the easiest to use and most versatile product in the range. Now these are pro products, but just because there's pro in the title doesn't mean they're difficult to use, and even a beginner can use these products and get amazing results. So the graphene infused in this product has tighter polymer bonds and should in turn give you better durability compared to the ceramic range. It also has amazing hydrophobic properties as well as added gloss and shine. Like I said, this product is very easy to use and versatile, and as you'll find out later, there's a bunch of different ways you can apply it. One of the main advantages of graphene is that it has the ability to reduce water spots a lot more than ceramic-based products. The reasons for this, well, firstly is just how the water behaves on the graphene, as you will see later on when I do the water test, but also because of the properties of graphene that have a greater mineral resistance compared to some ceramic products, which in turn give you less water spots. This product is very easy to apply. There's multiple ways you can apply it. There's actually 3. The first being a base application, and then there's 2 top-up application methods which I'll mention in this video. Walking all through the prep, of course you'll want to pre-wash and wash your cars using the correct wash techniques, and also make sure you're using a pure shampoo. You don't want any waxes in the shampoo to interfere with the bonding of these products. So once that's done, you have to do decontamination. So that starts off with an iron fallout remover, and you can even use a tar remover to try and get some of the embedded contamination out. Once that's done and you feel your paint, and if it is rough, you then need to clear your paint to remove the above surface decontamination. The reason you're doing all this prep is so that when you go on to polishing, if you are going to be doing so, it doesn't affect the finish and the condition of your pad. Once that's done, you can then move on to paint correction. Of course, they recommend their one and done compound, but realistically, you can use any correcting products that you want. So when all of that's finished, you then can move on to applying this product. So the first method that I'm going to talk about is the base application method, which is the way you have to apply it if you haven't already applied any previous layers of this product. Also guys, before you start, make sure to read the instructions on the leaflets which are on the back of these products. It's very easy to use this product. You just apply 1 or 2 sprays per panel, then use a dry microfiber cloth to spread and wipe it in, and then follow up with a secondary microfiber cloth to buff it away. You want to work relatively quickly and in small sections. You don't want the product to be drying on the vehicle because that can cause streaking. If the product does streak, there's no worries. You can just apply a little bit more of this product and then immediately wipe it off, or even use a damp microfiber cloth to remove the streaking. However, if you use this product correctly and work in small sections at a time, you won't have any streaking issues. I know I didn't. The reason I'm saying this is because some people are intimidated to use even their ceramic range of products, and now that the new Pro line of graphene products is out, people might be scared to use it, but I'm just here to tell you that it's not hard to use. It's actually very simple. Once you've applied your base layer, you then need to wait 24 hours before you can wash your vehicle or apply any additional layers. Speaking of additional layers, once you've applied your base layer, you then can use any of the 3 methods to apply the additional ones. So like I said, this product is very versatile, and there's a bunch of ways you can apply additional layers to top up your protection. The first way is the normal way that you apply the base layer, like I just walked you all through. The next 2 are wet application methods. So the first being spraying it onto a wet car and then rinsing it off. So similar to something like their ceramic wet wax. And then the last top-up application method is spraying it onto a wet car and then simultaneously spreading it out and drying the vehicle. Me personally, I feel that this is the best way to apply top-up layers. Looking quickly at the water behavior, you can see that this product is definitely wanting to sheet water more than beading. I tried to get some beading, as you can see, but the water didn't really want to bead up. It's sort of lying like in flat blotches, and this is what's letting it sheet water. So I've seen videos and read up about this product and even other graphene products, and they do have a tendency to want to sheet water a lot more than ceramic-based products, which actually want to bead water. Now in our brains, generally when we see water beading, we associate that with protection, but with these products we need to actually adjust because there is protection on this vehicle. The product just wants to sheet the water. On the side panel you can see a very similar behavior. The product wants to sheet the water. Now having a product that has the ability to sheet water isn't actually bad, because this is one of the reasons that you're going to be able to reduce the water spots. But like I said, I will be doing durability and torture tests on this product, and I do have it applied to this vehicle to do a real world test, and I will keep you all updated on how it performs. So what are my final thoughts on this product? Well, I think it's actually very good. Now graphene is new technology and I'm sure there will be more advancements to come, but first impressions, I'm actually very happy with this product. It's very simple to use. It has Pro in the title, but anyone can actually use it and get amazing results. But once that base layer is done, then you have the option to apply it in a bunch of different ways. So either applying it dry or spray and rinse, or even while the panel is wet, you can spray it and then simultaneously wipe and dry the vehicle. Talking about the water behavior, yes, the water does lie quite flat, and instinctively that makes you want to say that it doesn't have much protection. But like I said, that this is new technology and it was probably designed to be like that. Now the most important thing, did it make the paint look better? The answer is yes, it did look shinier and glossier, and there was a bit of color enhancement. Talking about the slickness of this product, it's actually not that slick. If you compare it to something like a Canuba wax, which is very ultra slick, this product doesn't actually feel like that. However, compared to bare paint, it is a little bit more slicker. However, with these longer durability products, even their ceramic range of products, slickness wasn't actually a main factor, so it's not that important. So like I said, this product is very good and versatile, and it's a great standalone product to have if you do have to choose one product, because it's a kind of combination of their ceramic spray coating and the ceramic wet wax. So you're kind of getting two products in one. All in all, I think that this is a very good, easy and versatile product to use, and in the short time that I've had it and used it and done some testing with it, I've been quite happy with the results. I will be doing future videos and testing on this product. I am currently doing a real life durability test, which I will keep you all updated on. I'm also going to be putting this product up against its bigger brother, the To The Max Wax, and even comparing it to their ceramic range of products. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss all those future videos. Also, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit like, and if you do want to check out any of these Pro range of products, I will leave the links in the description below. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. So thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.